a lot of people have been asking me, how do you get the swivel off of the back of your NAK9? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to install a BoneSteel brace onto this NAK9 or Cyrax, the 9S. We're going to go ahead and put this on here, and I'm going to show you how to get this swivel off the back. All right, I know a lot of people have asked me that, and it is a lot simpler than you think. All right, first off, she is empty. She is empty. All right, so let's go ahead and start the takeoff process. All right, what you want to do is get you an open end wrench. All right, and up under there you'll see where you can slide it under there. You want to tap it. Just tap it until it gets wedged up under there, and you may have to tap it a little more, but it'll start pushing the swivel up. All right, so the swivel has gotten pushed up, and you got the wrench on the grooves. Then you just start turning, and then you start turning till it loosens up, and that's all you got to do to take this thing off. All right, it is not hard. It is not hard. And hold on, let me show you this. There are beveled sides up under the swivel, so that's what the wrench goes on, the beveled side. So you just knock the wrench up under it. It pushes the swivel up, and then you can take it off. Very, very, very simple to take that off. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this BoneSteel. It's a BoneSteel brace. We're gonna go ahead and get this on here, and it is pretty simple to get the BoneSteel on here. Let's pop this off, and for some reason it wanted to be stiff on me. All right, so here, let's do this. Let's take the magazine out, and I'm gonna do this backwards today. I'm gonna do it backwards and do it so you guys can look at it. So take your spring out, then take your buffer out. All right, so the buffer is out, and with the BoneSteel, they give you a screw to go through the hole. So, all right. So what you want to do, all right, this is on here kind of tight. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. All right, so here's your screw. You know what? I'm not gonna do this way. This is too aggravating. Try to do it sitting down. It's not gonna work. Let me rearrange things so I can get a better grip on this. All right, hold on. All right, so here, now that you got that off, you see that we have a hole back here. All right, what you want to do is get your BoneSteel brace, slide this in there, slide that in the brace like that, and you want to insert said screw in the hole. You have a screw and a washer. All right. So once the screw gets in the hole, you see it in there. Put that right there. Get your nut on there and start to screw it down. All right, so there it is, almost on there. So now the same wrench that you use, you just tighten it up. Just tighten it up. And you want to get it real tight because nobody wants a wobbly brace. All right. So now it's on there. It's not wobbling. Let's put this back on here. And it does not want to agree with me. Boom. A little motivation right there. Make it agree. And there you have it. All right, so here we go. We have the brace on there, and you guys see how fast that was. Did not take no time at all. No time whatsoever. No time whatsoever. And see how the fit is on it. Let's see if you guys can see that. Fits right up to the rear. Right up to the rear. And let's see. That's what the top of it looks like. And of course this is a folder. And oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think this is all that old Cyrax was missing. That's all that was missing. Just add a little brace to it. And here you can see the mechanism of the brace right there. Right there. Right there is where it locks in. So it's a very simple mechanism. And boom, it folds. Boom, it folds. So hit me up. Tell me what you think. Like the brace on it? Do you like the brace on it? And have you ever had trouble getting this swivel off? Because it is real simple to get off. But I've seen lots and lots of people hit me up asking how in the world did I get that swivel off of there. Well, that's exactly how I got it off. Real simple. Real simple. All right, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. All of these weapons on. This is by far my favorite 9mm AK right here. By far my favorite.